Morning, I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about IoT levels. On completion, students will be able to understand the basics of IoT levels. What is IoT? A phenomena which can connect a variety of things. Everything has the ability to communicate. Internet connect all people, so it is the internet of people. IoT connect all things, so it is called as Internet of Things. From any time, any place, connectivity from anyone, we will now have connectivity for anything. Based upon the number of monitoring node used, type of database used, simplicity of analysis, computation, there are 6 levels of IoT. Different applications are implemented based on the level. IoT system consists of following components: devices, resources, controller service, database, web service, analysis component, application. One by one we can going to see. First, what is device? IoT device allow identification, remote sensing, actuating and remote monitoring capability. Resources are the software component on the IoT for accessing, processing and storing sensor information. For example, the program that we have written for object detection using IR sensor used to find the distance using ultrasonic sensor also. Controller service is a native service that run on the device and interact with web service. Database can be either local or cloud and store the data generated by IoT devices. Web service, this acts as an interface between IoT device, application, database and analysis common. Web service can be implemented using HTTP and REST principle of using web socket protocol. Analysis component is responsible for analyzing the IoT data and generate result in form which are easy for the user to understand. Analysis can be performed either locally or in cloud. Application, IoT application provide an interface that the user can be used to control and monitor various aspects of the IoT system. IoT level 1. It is a single node bar device for sensing, monitoring, actuating, storing information. Data involved is not big, so data is stored in cloud. It is suitable for modeling, design, low cost, low complexity solution. Primary analysis requirement is not computational intensive. Example, home automation. Just you can see the level, you will have a device, resources, controller service is connected to database, REST connected in local database. IoT level 2. It is used for sensing, monitoring, actuating, performance analysis and hosting application. Data involved is big, so data is stored in cloud. It uses cloud-based application. Primary analysis requirement is not computational intensive. Example, smart irrigation. Here you can see data is stored in the cloud. So device, you will have monitoring node, resources, controller service, web service, application. IoT level 3. It has a single node bar device for sensing, monitoring, actuating and hoisting data. Data involved is big, so data stored in cloud. It uses cloud-based application to visualize data. Primary analysis requirement is computational. Example, tracking, packages handling. This is the diagram which will show mostly level 2 and level 3 are same, but how the data processing can be done is different. 4. IoT, it has multiple nodes bar devices for sensing, monitoring, actuating, primary analysis and hosting application. Data involved is big, so data is stored in cloud. Is use cloud based application to visualize data. Primary analysis requirement is computation intensive, so data can be aggregated and analyzed in cloud. It has two observer node, local and cloud based. They subscribe to and receive information collected in cloud. They can process the information in various applications. That's what multiple node for sensing, monitoring and collecting data, and its connect data is stored in the cloud finally. Same thing, 4 same as 5. So it is also having multiple nodes for sensing, monitoring, actuating data stored in cloud. Data, it uses cloud based application. Primary analysis requirement is computational intensive. Example, forest fire direction. So multiple nodes are stored in cloud. 6. This is similar to 5, 6 level. It is also multiple nodes for sensing and actuating data. Data involved is big. So analysis common, analyze the data and store result in cloud. It has centralized controller which is aware of status of end node and send control command. Example, weather monitoring and structural health monitoring. From this topic, which layer is responsible for transmitting data? Network layer. In IoT system, cloud computing is primarily in the part of application layer. Thank you.